In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find high-paying jobs on Glassdoor. If you want a faster, more focused job hunt, this walkthrough will help you filter for roles that meet your salary expectations and your location from the very start. Begin by opening your browser and heading to glassdoor.com. If you're on mobile, you can also use the Glassdoor app. Either way, I've placed the link right at the top of the description, so it's easy to find and download or open. Once you're on the homepage, look for the job search bar. In the first field, type the job title or a keyword that fits your experience, like software engineer, project manager, data analyst, or sales director. In the second field, enter the location where you want to work. You can type a city, a state, or a broader region. If you're open to working from home, try entering remote to expand your options. When you're ready, click search. You'll land on the results page, which shows a list of current openings. Here, find the filters control, typically at the top or along the left side. This is where you'll zero in on compensation. Open the salary filter and set the minimum you want to see, for example, $80,000 and above. Think about the local cost of living and your years of experience when choosing that number. Keep in mind, some employers post exact salaries, while others display an estimated range based on market data. With the salary filter applied, your results will now focus on higher paying roles that match your criteria. Click on any job that interests you to open the full listing. Take a moment to review the job description to confirm responsibilities and qualifications, and pay close attention to the salary section. If the number is an estimate, use it as a guide, not an absolute. It's also helpful to scan for benefits and perks, since total compensation can include bonuses, equity, and other incentives. If a role looks like a strong fit, click Apply Now to move forward. This may take you to the employer's site to complete the application. If you're not ready to apply, click Save so you can revisit it later. You may be prompted to sign in to keep track of your saved jobs. Returning to your saved list makes it easy to compare roles side by side and prioritize the ones that best match your goals. That's all you need to quickly surface high-paying roles on Glassdoor. If this helped, don't forget to use the link at the top of the description. And thanks for watching.